Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best slushie machines. I've done my research, and this list reflects my personal opinion, ranking products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the perfect fit for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products are listed from least to greatest in my opinion, so stick around until the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the slushie machines in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word "chill" in the video. We'll pick a winner and notify them when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best slushie machines on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Green Ever Slushie Machine for Home. Let's kick things off with the Green Ever Slushie Machine for Home. This machine promises to deliver slushies in just 15 minutes with its rapid chill technology. And it boasts a decent 68-ounce capacity, enough for about 7 to 9 servings. It comes with 6 preset programs for slushies, milkshakes, and even frozen cocktails, which sounds great on paper. Plus, it doesn't require ice, so you're not diluting your drinks. However, it's not without its flaws. Some users report it struggles with consistency, especially if the sugar content isn't just right. And the self-cleaning feature is a nice touch, but doesn't always get the job done thoroughly. At around $300, it's a mid-range option, but the build quality feels a bit plasticky for the price, and durability is a concern over time. It's a decent entry-level slushie maker for casual use, but it's not winning any awards for reliability or precision. Number 9, Ninja Blender 4 Smoothies. Next up is the Ninja Blender 4 Smoothies. Now, this isn't a dedicated frozen treat maker, but it's a versatile kitchen tool that can whip up smoothies and even crush ice for a makeshift slushie. It's got a powerful motor, typically around 1,000 watts depending on the model, and comes with a 72-ounce pitcher, which is perfect for big batches. The blades are sharp and effective, and it's priced affordably, often under $100. That said, it's not specialized for frozen treats. You'll need to add ice, which can water down your drink, and getting that perfect slushy texture takes some trial and error. It's durable for a blender, but it's loud, and the plastic components might not hold up under constant heavy use. This is a solid budget option if you're not set on a dedicated machine, but it's not going to rival the pros on this list. Coming at number 8, Cuisinart Snow Cone Machine. At number 8, we have the Cuisinart Snow Cone Machine. This little guy is all about simplicity and nostalgia. It's a compact, manual shaved ice maker that can churn out enough snow for about 5 cones per batch. It's super affordable, usually under $50, and comes with reusable cones, which is a nice bonus. The stainless steel blades do a decent job of shaving ice, but you're limited to basic snow cones here. It doesn't have the versatility for slushies or milkshakes, and you'll need to supply your own ice, which adds an extra step. It's lightweight and easy to store, but the plastic housing feels cheap, and it's not built for heavy-duty use. This is a fun pick for kids or occasional summer treats, but it's too basic to climb higher on the list. Coming at number 7, Hamilton Beach Drinkmaster Electric Drink Mixer. Moving on to number 7, we've got the Hamilton Beach Drinkmaster Electric Drink Mixer. This retro-style mixer is designed for milkshakes and malts, with a 70-watt motor and a 28-ounce stainless steel mixing cup. It's priced around $40, making it one of the cheapest options here. And it's got that classic diner vibe going for it. It mixes drinks well enough. Think frothy milkshakes. But it's not built for frozen treats like slushies or shaved ice. You'd need pre-softened ice cream or a lot of ice to get close, and even then it's a stretch. The motor isn't the strongest, and some users mention it struggles with thicker mixtures. Durability-wise, it's hit or miss. The metal cup is sturdy, but the base feels flimsy. It's a niche product that's great for what it does, but lacks the versatility to rank higher. Number 6, Dash Shaved Ice Maker and Slushie Machine. Number 6 brings us to the Dash Shaved Ice Maker and Slushie Machine. This compact machine is a step up from basic snow cone makers, with a 1-liter capacity and the ability to shave ice for snow cones, slushies, and even cocktails. It's priced around $40 to $50, so it's budget-friendly and it's easy to use. Just pop in some ice and let it do its thing. The adjustable blade lets you tweak the texture from fine to coarse, which is a nice touch. However, it's still ice-dependent, and the motor isn't powerful enough for big batches or frequent use. The plastic build feels lightweight but not super durable, and it can get messy if you're not careful. It's a solid middle ground option for small households or casual users who want more than just snow cones without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 5, Nostalgia Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. Halfway through the list, we've got the Nostalgia Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine at number 5. This retro-inspired machine can make up to 20 icy treats per batch, thanks to its 32-ounce ice capacity. It's priced around $50 to $60 and comes with reusable cups and a scoop, adding some value. The stainless steel blades shave ice nicely, and it's simple to operate. Just load ice and go. Like others in its class, it's limited to snow cones and requires you to supply ice, so no slushies or milkshakes here without extra effort. The design is sturdy for the price, though some plastic parts feel a bit cheap. It's a crowd pleaser for parties or kids, but it doesn't have the power or versatility to compete with the top dogs. Still, for nostalgic fun, it's a strong contender. Coming at number 4, Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit. Number 4 is the Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit. This manual machine is a step above basic snow cone makers, with a sturdy build and adjustable stainless steel blades for that perfect shaved ice texture. It's super affordable, around $40, and comes with 3 reusable ice mold cups so you can prep ice ahead of time. It's portable, doesn't need electricity, and produces fluffy shaved ice that's great for snow cones or even a DIY slushie with some creativity. That said, it's labor-intensive since you're cranking by hand and it's not ideal for large batches. Durability is decent, but the plastic components might wear out with heavy use. It's a fantastic value for occasional use or outdoor fun, earning it a solid spot in the top half. Number 3, Slushie Cup Frozen Magic Squeeze Cups. Coming in at number 3, we've got the Slushie Cup Frozen Magic Squeeze Cups. These are a unique twist on frozen treat makers. Just pour in your drink, freeze the cup for a few hours, and squeeze to turn it into a slushie. Priced at about $20 to $30 for a 2-pack, they're the cheapest option here and super portable. No electricity or ice needed, which is a big plus, and they're reusable with a lid and straw included. The catch? They're small, about 12 ounces each, so you're not making big batches, and the slushy texture depends on how long you freeze and squeeze. They're durable for what they are, but the process takes patience. These are a fun, innovative pick for personal use, landing them a podium spot. Coming at number 2, Innoviva Slushie Machine for Home. Runner-up at number 2 is the Innoviva Slushie Machine for Home. This beast packs a 68-ounce capacity and 5 preset programs for slushies, margaritas, frappes, and more. No ice required. It's priced around $350, so it's an investment, but it delivers restaurant-quality frozen drinks with a self-cleaning function to boot. The cooling system freezes liquids directly, and while it takes some tweaking to nail the sugar-to-liquid ratio, the results are thick and consistent. It's heavier and bulkier than most, but the build quality is solid, suggesting good durability. Some users note it struggles with super thick mixtures, but for versatility and performance, it's a top-tier choice that just misses the crown. Number 1, Ninja Cream iDeluxe Ice Cream and Frozen Treat Maker. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, it's the Ninja Creamy Deluxe Ice Cream and Frozen Treat Maker. This powerhouse redefines frozen treats with its 11-in-1 functionality. Ice cream, slushies, frozen yogurt, milkshakes, you name it. Priced around $250, it's a steal for what it offers. You prep your mix, freeze it for 24 hours, then let the Creamy's unique drill-like blade system turn it into creamy perfection in minutes. The 24-ounce containers are smaller than some slushie machines, but you get 2, and the texture control is unmatched. It's durable, easy to clean, and built to last, with Ninja's reputation backing it up. It requires planning ahead, but for quality, versatility, and sheer wow factor, the Creamy Deluxe is the best frozen treat maker on the market today. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best slushie machines. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.